With a beam of 14 feet, the flagship in the Freedom series, we introduce to you the Freedom 415. My name's Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. We hope you enjoy this video. We hope you enjoyed this video aboard the 415, the flagship in the Freedom series. Please like and subscribe for more video and content.